Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Breville Barista Touch. The design of the Breville Barista Touch begs the question, why settle for at-home results just because you're at home? This beautiful espresso machine is ready to teach any level of user how to make their perfect cup of espresso, so even novices can achieve cafe-level drinks on their own. In the box, you'll find that the Barista Touch comes with everything from this water filter to pH strips so you can calibrate the machine for the exact water that's coming out of your house's taps. You'll also find things like 4 stainless steel filters for your portafilter and a self-cleaning steam wand. For details on everything that's in the box, make sure you check out my full review at the Best Buy blog, which also goes more in-depth about this machine's burr grinder, touchscreen controls, and steamer. The latter of which was one of my favorite things that I've ever used. This machine has an absolutely beautiful milk texture, and it's super easy to control. But the other thing that I really love about the Barista Touch is that it comes with step-by-step instructions and troubleshooting on its color touchscreen, and you follow them as you go. That makes it super easy to use for beginners and means that you'll quickly learn how to intuitively troubleshoot your own drinks. When making espresso, for instance, this machine asks questions like, when did your pour start? Then, based on the answer you select, it tells you how you can achieve a better result. Tips like tamping more firmly next time, or using a different coarseness or volume of grinds. My first 2 cups of espresso from this machine were, frankly, terrible compared to the rest that I made afterwards. And that's a good thing. Instead of masking my poor quality technique, the Breville Barista Touch showed me exactly what I was doing wrong and, more importantly, how I could really easily fix my mistakes. I tried again with finer grounds, more grounds, and a firmer tamp, and by day 2 there was a huge improvement in the quality of my coffee. As a casual coffee drinker with a picky palate, I know that the Breville Barista Touch is a bit of a splurge, but I feel like it justifies its price in a way that most devices just can't. Unlike other high-end and introductory espresso makers, this machine ensures that every user is able to get the most out of every function of the machine. It gives you tips and suggestions whenever you need them, but also lets experienced users override anything they see fit. The other thing that I think makes it really great for couples and families or even small workplaces is that you can custom program different drinks into the machine. So if, say, you've got a partner who likes a different coffee drink than you do, they can tell the machine exactly how they like it, and then all you have to do is follow along, and you can make them the perfect pick-me-up whenever they need it. So, if you want a beautiful machine that puts you in charge and you're ready to level up your at-home coffee game, make sure you check out my full review of this machine at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.